Hey everyone, it's Baldwin here. A lot of you have been requesting some math retakes. So what I did is I created this assignment. The first thing I'm going to want you to focus on is this Google Doc called Math Retakes. If you click on this document, there are 3 different links here. These are 3 different assessments that you can redo. I have them labeled for you. So this first one is from Module 4. It's from Lesson 4 or 5. If you click this link, it'll take you to ClassKick, and you can go ahead and put in your name or log in with your Gmail, and then work through the slides and the questions, and then go ahead and hit that green button that's usually right over here. The second one is Module 2 on Congruence. This module was the one where we did a lot of stuff with the tracing paper, so I don't have a lot of notes for you to follow on that one. And then this last one is Module 3 with Dilation, and there was a little bit of things on triangles in here. So again, just click these links, it'll take you to ClassKick, it'll take you to the assessment. Now, if you go back to the assignment here, I put the link that takes you to the Sandy Zappia videos. So this link will take you to all of her modules, all of her lessons. And if you click on this search right here, this will search within her page. Super useful, super helpful. The other thing I have for you here is the Module 3 notes and the Module 4 notes. So if you click on these, it's going to open with a PDF, and I literally uploaded the notes that we took in class. So these are my notes in case you guys didn't keep those books. So these are the 2 modules. I've got Module 3 and Module 4 notes that you can look at to help you take the math retakes. Now, not all of you need to accomplish the retakes, so make sure you're checking out Infinite Campus to see what your grade is. Also, keep in mind, these will only replace those exact assignments in Infinite Campus. So when you go to Infinite Campus, Lesson 4 and 5 quiz, that's what it's labeled in Infinite Campus. Test C, that's what it's labeled. District Assessment of Module 3, that's what's in Infinite Campus. So look at these 3 grades, and I would say if you got a 1 or a 2, if you got a 1 or a 2, definitely redo these. You do not have to do all of them. You don't have to do any of them, depending on what your Infinite Campus looks like. So make sure you're double checking your grades. If there's a different assignment you want to retake instead of these 3, please email me ASAP. Now, how will I know you are done? You've taken, maybe you want to do all 3, but you've only done this one. Once you get all of the ones that you want done, go ahead and go back to Google Classroom and just submit. If you want to put like a little note all the way on the bottom down here that says, hey, I did Module 4 and Module 2 or whatever, that's fine. So once you submit on Google Classroom, that's how I'm going to know that you're done with all of the assessments you want to retake. If you have any questions on what is expected of you, please reach out. And then the last thing on ClassKick, the way I organized it is slide 1 is going to be level 1, slide 2 is going to be level 2, slide 3 level 3, and slide 4 level 4. There are a couple I will label otherwise. I believe there are a couple where there are only 3 slides, and then it'll be the first slide is level 1 and 2, the second slide is level 3, and the third slide will be level 4. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. You have until this Friday to get everything into me. So, again, Friday. All right. Again,